How to find the channel ID of any YouTube channel. So hey guys, if you're also wondering how you can find the channel ID of any YouTube channel out there, doesn't matter whether you own it or not, then this video is for you. So in order to find the channel ID of any YouTube channel, the first thing you need to do is open the YouTube channel that you want to find the channel ID of. So for example, I want to find the channel ID of this particular YouTube channel. So once I have opened it into my browser, the next thing I'm going to do is simply press the right click onto an empty space, and then from here I need to click onto this option which says view page source, or alternatively I can also choose to press the Control and U key combinations. Then once you have clicked here, it will open up the page source, and at the very top you can see this option of line wrap. Simply tick this particular check mark. Once you have done this, you need to press the Ctrl and F key combination, which stands for the Find toolbox. It will help us to find anything that we require. So in this text box, you need to type in the following, that is question mark and then channel ID. Don't forget to add this underscore as well. So the first value, if we came across it, you can see that this is the channel ID which is listed here. After the channel ID equals to, you can see this particular text that starts from you, and this is the channel ID of this YouTube channel. So in order to copy this, simply select it, and then you may choose to press the Ctrl and C key combinations to copy this particular channel ID. So that's it for this video. I will see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well, comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.